One of the company's most well-known motorcycles is the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. It possesses every detail that defines a real Harley. It delivers comfort, power, beauty, and a captivating sound. Nothing is lacking from it. One of the Harley lineup's best-selling motorcycles has always been the HD Fat Boy 114. Arnold Schwarzenegger and a number of other stars rode it in the Terminator series. The Harley Fat Boy, which debuted in the 1990s, has seen several changes. However, admirers like it because, even in 2024, it still has the authentic, vintage appearance of a Harley motorbike. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 is the same as every other model in the HD portfolio. It has nothing new. Riders will only be able to select from new color options with the 2024 model. Even with its current configuration, the HD Fat Boy 114 is a pleasure to ride. One of the most intriguing things you will find on the internet regarding the HD Fat Boy is its name. The name seems pretty strange and thrilling at the same time. It is unusual for a well-known motorbike manufacturer to designate Fat Boy as the best cruiser competitor. The name of the bike has a contentious idea behind it. A number of individuals claim that the two atomic bombs that the United States unleashed on Japan during World War II inspired the name of the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Little Boy and Fat Man were the names of two atomic bombs. The moniker Fat Boy thus gained controversy as some people thought it was intended to mock Japanese motorbike manufacturers. One of the most appealing classic Harley cruiser bikes is the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114. This motorbike stands apart from the rest of the line thanks to a few distinctive features. The large and broader appearance of the 2024 HD Fat Boy 114 draws all eyes. The motorcycle's front end is completely chromed out. Beer-can covers give the front forks a more robust appearance. The Fat Boy 114 has a tiny, rounded headlamp, but it's elegantly positioned within the large chrome nacelle that's incorporated into the front forks. To improve the motorcycle's linear performance and reduce its stance, the bigger front forks are thrust slightly outward. Additionally, the handlebars of the Fat Boy 114 have been chrome-plated. In keeping with the motorcycle's general aesthetic, the handlebars are likewise notably broad, fashionable, and somewhat retracted. The handlebars are not as swept back as those of other vintage touring and cruiser motorcycles, though. The handlebars are equipped with bullet-style front turn signals and chrome side reflectors. The 2024 Fat Boy 114's fuel tank is broader geometrically as well. Unlike other aggressive bikes, its gasoline tank is smooth and lacks harsh edges and curves. In addition, the gasoline tank has the instruments installed beneath the handlebar clamp. A two-piece saddle is included with the 2024 HD Fat Boy 114 so that two riders may ride together. To guarantee a low seat height, the rider seat's cushion is concave. Compared to previous Harley models, this seat is intended to be a little bit flatter and wider. Nor is the passenger seat very plush. You could wish to replace the factory Fat Boy seat with an aftermarket one if you want to ride with two people in comfort. To save weight, the front and back fenders are chopped, but this seat's flawless design prevents it from sacrificing style. The small cross-shaped LED taillight is mounted on the broad rear fender. The machined and robust Lakester cast aluminum disc wheels are the most noticeable aspect of the Harley Fat Boy 114. A bigger rear tire is fitted to go with the overall broader appearance. Harley-Davidson motorbikes are all about torque. They are adjusted to provide sufficient torque to draw the bike with more force. Not so with the Harley Fat Boy 114. At 3,000 revolutions per minute, the bike generates an amazing 161.34 Newton-meters of torque. Since it isn't made for speed, the Fat Boy 114 might not be the quickest. However, as soon as you twist the throttle, you'll feel the power and drive. Strong traction and grip are provided by the larger tires, lower stance, and powerful engine, which enhances the enjoyment and excitement of the ride. You will never get tired riding the Fat Boy 114 on a straight road. This bike's acceleration is also more than sufficient to keep experienced riders enjoying themselves. The Milwaukee 8-117 engine on the Fat Boy 114 is not underpowered if you have ever ridden a Harley. Similar to the Milwaukee 8 engine in terms of torque and power output, the Milwaukee 8-114 engine powering the 2024 Fat Boy 114 is as potent. Although not very outstanding, the 2024 HD Fat Boy 114's 94 horsepower at 4,750 revolutions per minute is nevertheless plenty for a comfortable ride. The Fat Boy 114 was intended to be ridden. You can ride this bike all day long without feeling uncomfortable. Without adding power, you may ride it on straight roads and highways at speeds between 60 and 70 miles per hour. However, this bike has enough power to allow you to raise the speed. The music created by the HD Fat Boy 114 is deep, throaty, and extremely addicting, just like its name would imply. This is one of those sounds that you can never get enough of. This bike's muscular, broad appearance is justified by the throaty sound it makes. For the majority of aficionados and admirers, the HD Fat Boy 114 is without a doubt one of the best-sounding Harleys. The exhaust sound on this bike is really enticing, so resist the need to keep revving it quickly even if it is a powerful machine.